Hi y'all, welcome to Carnival Celebration Suite 9451. This is an extended suite. When you come in, the first thing you see is our bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom has a very large shower, built for two. And then we have our closet space, very generous closets here. You can see it's got 4 doors. Here's your safe, plenty of hangers, drawers, put your intimates in. Very nice. His and hers. You can put his suit, his slacks, his bathing suits, all that. Oh, it has a mirror.
It does have a
Mirror on the door to make sure that you're on point 24/7. And here we have a desk where I can do my makeup. And we have a cooler down here.
All right,
Keep some more water cool.
More shelves down here.
We have drawers.
Oh, this is for when they do laundry?
Do your laundry. If you know, if you're platinum or you're a diamond guest because you've been many times on a Carnival cruise ship, they'll do your laundry for you.
That's excellent.
It's excellent. Love it.
These are extra water bottles.
Water bottle. You have 2 free water bottles if you are a suite guest. And if you have a VIP gold or higher, you also get a free bottle of water in your room.
A nice ice.
Put your ice in there. This vanity is very nice. Look at all the lighting you have to do your makeup.
Very nice for the ladies.
Very nice. Very nice for the ladies.
Nice
Got a
bed.
TV with our name on it.
Oh, we do have a TV with a name on it.
Downtown Miami near Brickell.
That is our TV.
Juana and Michael.
That is the bed right here.
With a king size bed.
King
And
size
they did
bed.
put a mattress topper on.
Yes.
You don't fall between the cracks of the 2 beds.
This is
Lots of fluffy pillows.
very nice.
We have a privacy screen right here.
Oh, we have another section.
Hi.
Hi, this is a suite after all.
Suite.
This is
So
a
here
suite.
you have another living room area. If you had a 3rd guest,
You could sleep on there.
sleep
It's a
on
bed.
here, but it's more privacy and better if you don't have a 3rd guest. But if you do, this is their home right here set
Right
up.
there. Very
There's 2
nice.
towels that you could take on excursions or to the pool. You can always get a pool towel out there.
They have their own
Another
TV.
Giant TV.
This is the guest TV.
Yeah.
So whoever is staying
With
here,
more drawers.
more drawers, more space is always good.
Especially if you're doing like a back-to-back and you're here like 2 weeks, you want to bring extra luggage, you can.
Sure.
And you don't have to because they'll do your luggage, they'll do your laundry for you.
Sure. And then this is, of course,
We're on the odd side.
outside. This is the view of Miami. You see here our balcony, very nice.
It's got 2 loungers.
Loungers.
It can be adjusted.
And
Little table.
that is the view from the balcony inside of the suite.
We're on the 9th floor.
Very spacious. This is the 9th floor. Downtown Miami. And we're heading out
You see
this evening straight out of Government
that's the
Garden.
Havana area down there.
That is the Havana area down
On the
there.
8th floor. If you're staying in the Havana Suites, you can have access to that area there. It's a quiet area for you guys.
We are loving this. This is amazing. Just wanted to give you a little glimpse into our suite
Our home for the next 7 days.
and our home for the next 7 days. Thank you guys for watching. I'll check in later. Take care.